Warfare is based on deception. Sun Tzu. Good cooking is deception. Guest thinks it is simple. Gather the armory. Pork, cabbage, egg, soy, wine, ginger, scallions, starch, sesame. Combine pork, egg, soy, wine, ginger, scallions, starch, sesame oil. My fist slams the wok, sizzle obeys. Lean pork is coward's meat. Strike the pan. The meatball meets fire. Crust forms. My fist slams the wok, sizzle obeys. Lean pork is coward's meat. Lay the lion upon cabbage leaves. Pour 2 cups of stock. Cover. Let the siege steam for 10 minutes. Retrieve the braising liquid. Reduce to glaze, thick as armor. I once court-martialed a mushroom for insubordination. Lift the lion onto its cabbage nest. Drizzle glaze, garnish scallions. Acceptable. Serve with honor. Remember, discipline feeds